You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this number. If you want to learn more counting, more numbers in English that are a bit confusing, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Usually pronounced as a number as 125. The American pronunciation would be more as 125. Now, can also be pronounced as 125 if you spell out every number 125 as a number, 125 or 125. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.